So something that's really good to release your back off, as well as stretch out the front of your body, is called the upward dog or cobra hold. Right now I'm in a position called cobra hold. Elbows straight under your shoulders, forearms flat against the ground, and you're elevating your chest forward and high, lifting your eye gaze so that's level, and squeezing your butt for safety. If you want to intensify this sort of move, then you come to what we call the upward dog. Hands move under shoulders and we drive the body up, lifting the hips, flat of the feet are down, squeezing our butt really strongly, pulling the chest forward, driving the shoulder blades back.